PawChamp Dog Training and Care, quite a viral app these days. Transform your dog's behavior with personalized training plans, engaging lessons, and expert support all in one app. Start training today. PawChamp is a modern personalized dog training app trusted by 250,000 plus dog parents worldwide, developed with certified dog trainers, behaviorists, and canine experts. So that's kind of the idea. You can just tap get to install. So, if you have a dog, one of the top apps to actually try out. It's really high in the charts. I love comments, on-demand video library, ask real dog experts. So that's kind of the idea. So obedience, 40 plus games, guides, dogs experts, learning plan, and then basically, yeah, so that's just what you have, and then you can just tap to get started. So something like that.